Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek,
I'm Elantra.
and welcome back to our channel. We be tripping. So today is day 40. We were in Alicante, Spain, and we added Elantra because we had some unexpected something today that happened. So we got up this morning. We got off the ship. We didn't eat breakfast. Got off the ship so we can go explore. But the weather was kind of cooler than expected. I don't know what I expected. And also it was drizzling. So that was a lot going on that I didn't really like. So I had brought my jacket. Solanda didn't bring a jacket. So
But I had a poncho. I was okay.
yeah, the poncho.
Yeah, I was okay.
But a poncho can't keep you warm.
I was okay.
Yeah. Anyway, so my feet started hurting. I didn't feel like walking. I was kind of cold, and I ended up going back to the ship, and so Solanda and Elantra continued to Alicante to explore. What did I do today? I came back. I started playing trivia and stuff. So that's how I spent my day until I got tired and went and took a nap. Now, what did y'all do today?
We explored.
Explored what?
We walked down to the center. What it is, the mosaic.
Esplanada de España.
Yeah.
And let me say this, because here's the other thing. This is our third time on this trip. So in these 40 days, it's like our third time in Alicante. So, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's kind of like, it was our third time. So I had pretty much seen what I wanted to see as well. But since Elantra and them had joined us, Elantra wanted to explore the city. So,
me and Elantra walked into the center of the city, and we just walked around. We went to the fort. It was Santa Barbara Castle.
So what did you think about the fort?
It was cool with a lot of inclines walking.
Man, that walk ain't no joke, huh? Mm-hmm.
It wasn't as many people there today as it was
I'm sure.
when we
It was
visited.
raining.
So the wait to get up on the elevator wasn't long.
Yeah.
But I didn't go all the way to the top with Elantra. I stayed down to let Elantra go all the way to the top.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of steps in. She wanted to see the mushroom street.
Mm-hmm.
So we used the navigation system, her phone.
Yeah.
And we...
Yeah. And see, and what you were telling me is that when we took the tour, we rode past everything.
Right.
And so you told me that the stuff like Mushroom Street and all of that ended up being in the same area. But when we was riding around, I guess they made it appear as if, we was on a
But
tour.
when we took the tour, Mushroom Street was closed. You remember, it was construction going on. It was open today. They have a lot of shopping, a lot of eateries down there. We stopped. Elantra wanted churros.
Yeah. And see, I knew that Elantra wanted to go and explore because she said she wanted to see everything that we had saw. So I knew she would be wanting to really get around. But you were saying that you didn't want to do a tour.
It didn't matter. You didn't do anything. You went back to the ship. But we walked around. We found somewhere to eat.
I did a tour of the ship.
We wind up eating Indian food. And the good thing about that is if we would have been with everybody, we wouldn't have got a chance to eat the Indian food because... we have some picky eaters.
Yeah. So what did you think about the Indian food?
It was real good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10.
Oh, my God.
It really was. It really was. Derek, you couldn't eat it anyway. It was spicy.
Don't tell me what I can eat.
No, but you
what
could
I can't
order it not spicy.
It was real good.
Don't tell me what I just don't like spicy food.
Well,
thank you.
me and Elantra continue on walking and touring the port.
Okay.
And it was a lot of stuff. It was a lot of shopping areas.
Mm-hmm.
We saw a lot of people from the ship. And we wind up I wanted to catch a taxi back to the ship, but Elantra.
Oh, what? Something was wrong with your steps?
It wasn't. Nothing was wrong with my steps. It's just that we hadn't ventured out so far. And I'm saying, we tried to go to the casino today, and they wouldn't let us in because we didn't have a passport.
So in other words, when I'm walking and I have feet problems and knee problems and back problems, all these issues, you want to walk when you're walking with me. But with Elantra, who has no problem and you have no problem, you was tired?
I
You
was
were
not
tired,
tired.
boss?
No, I was not tired.
She what?
She ain't come to that.
I was not tired. I was not tired.
Well.
I told you we could have got a taxi.
Well.
I told you we could have got a taxi.
Oh no,
when
but
you
you don't be
turned
wanting a
around,
taxi. You don't be wanting a taxi when I'm walking.
when you turned
When my
around,
feet hurt.
Derek,
And I
you
took
played
off
all
my shoe
day.
and I saw you like you didn't want to walk with me because I had took my shoe off.
I sure didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't.
All right. So
I didn't. That's why I went and got you a pair of slides, right?
and that stopped my feet from hurting.
I don't know, Derek.
Ever since I've been wearing the slides.
I ain't saying nothing.
Mhm.
Nobody
Right.
can hear you. What are you saying? Why are you whispering over
I
there?
ain't saying
10. You what?
So, in spite of the nasty weather, because it did rain off and on, and it was kind of cool today, we still enjoyed ourselves in Alicante. I saw the same things for the third time, but
Yeah. So, Alondra, what would you rate Alicante?
I give it an 8.
You give it an 8?
It was raining.
It was
Yeah.
only because of the rain? The rain makes the...
Like my videos ain't come out right or nothing. It was nasty outside.
Okay, so you're saying that you want to come back again when it's not raining?
Yeah.
And that's going to change?
I like to go hiking and all. Like I didn't get to do it.
Okay.
how
You
was the
wasn't-
view from the castle?
It was a nice view.
Nice view. But you wasn't dressed to hike.
Yes, I was.
You was dressed... What you had on your...
It's cold in the mountains, so I had on a jogging suit.
Okay. What else? Oh, you know what? Tonight we had Motown, and Motown was rolling. I think it was the best Motown show that we've seen in a while. I even saw Solana get up to dance.
I always dance.
Well, I mean, yeah, you like to dance, but when the last time you danced for Motown? Watch this.
When the last time?
On the dance floor.
Huh?
For Motown? Why it had to be for Motown?
I'm
Just
saying
for
you
Motown.
got up. When the last time you danced for Motown?
Boy, look here.
That's a valid question because you don't be dancing. The last few times we went to Motown, you wasn't dancing. Tonight you got up to dance.
I did.
Okay, so that's something different that happened, right? Okay, what you was trying to get your steps in? Is that what it is?
Boy, look here.
Because it seems like now we vacationing for steps. Alantha, you know how you watch her. Alantha bought her a little Apple Watch so she can calculate her step, keep track of her
He's
steps.
such a hater.
And now it's like all we talk about is
He's
steps.
such a
You
hater.
want an Apple Watch?
No, I don't. And I don't want to do all of that walking.
You was gifted a pair of what? Glasses.
Slides? Oh,
glasses. And all you want to do is videotape everything you see. And Meta, can you tell me what this is? So why is you worrying about the gift I get? I don't tell you nothing about the gift you got.
Meta, who is this? So you gonna compare the Apple Watch you wanting to now? All we talk about is steps.
Oh, Derek, we
To
can't
me
even.
videoing.
Because guess what, Derek? I look back, I'm like, what Derek at? You saying, Meta, what kind of tree is this? Meta. So,
I should. So
You
you're
should be
saying
walking.
I
You
should be
should be
asking
walking.
Meta how many steps I took.
right.
That's what I should have been. Okay, I get it now. Now all of a sudden it makes sense.
So Elantra enjoyed today. I think if Elantra wouldn't have been here, I probably would have stayed on the ship also because of the rain and it was kind of cold out. I would have stayed on. I mean, was there nothing out there I wanted to really see?
But you did end up eating at you find it. Do
At
y'all
an
remember the
Indian-
restaurant?
Indian
remember
house.
this?
Indian house.
Huh?
Indian house.
Indian House. That's the name of the.
Yeah, it was a nice
Oh, that's
restaurant.
clever. That's unique. Indian House.
You sound like a hater. What you had, guys? Burger?
I did,
I know you did.
and it was good. The address is on Lido. On Lido. That's where it was at. Next to the pool. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what else? So how would you rate today? Even though, like today was, we just got back, the cruise started yesterday, and we had 3 port days in a row. So that means that we're going to have a whole bunch of sea days.
Right, I hate
You know,
it. No,
yeah.
I hate the fact that we have, all these port days.
Back
in
to
a
back,
row.
yeah. So
Yeah.
anyway, so what would you, Alontra, what would you rate today?
8.
You rate today at 8. And what would you rate today?
8, just because she was okay with it, but you really made me mad today.
So her 8, your 8?
Yeah, I mean, long as she was okay, I'm okay.
How she done left the
In a bit of our
how she done left in the middle? You know what? I saw it. That's why the
yeah.
Migos wanted to fight. I'm telling you.
Cut my check.
Don't get ran on.
Cut my
Yeah.
check. I'm finished soon.
Yeah. So she
Y'all
just gonna
pay too
leave in the
much.
middle of the line. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Because
anyway.
it was nothing today different. I did different than, but go to the the Indian restaurant. That was it. Everything, we saw
Stop
everything
drinking them
already.
people's stuff. What? What?
The mushroom street was different, but
How was it different?
we
Oh, the
couldn't
fact
see
that it was open.
it was open and
Okay.
all the shops and stuff was open. You was able to stand on them and take pictures.
Okay.
It was just different. It didn't look like a construction area like
Okay.
when we passed last time. So
Okay. All right. Well, I think anything else you want to add to it?
nope, I'm real tired and I'm ready to go to bed.
Because we have to get up tomorrow because we are in Malaga tomorrow. Yeah.
And I don't know if they're gonna come out and explore Malaga since he done already been here.
Yeah. If my feet hurt, if it's raining, if it's cool, then
You should have just flew back home when we made it to Barcelona. You should have just flew back.
I am flying back home. Thank you. Now she won't be a travel agent. Like me.
I am your travel agent. So
You ain't my travel agent.
Boy, please.
No, thank you.
I don't think
No,
you
thank
would've
you.
took a trip. Every trip you
No,
done took,
You know what? I need to be ranking you as a travel
right.
agent.
So what do you give me?
0.
Lies.
0.
Lies.
How would I give you my ranking? You gonna tell me what it is?
Because I don't.
0. Thank you. Now, anyway, so because you playing Rome, we got Rome in the middle of Holy Week or whatever, Easter week or something like that, and I wasn't able to get to the Sistine Chapel. That's on your watch.
Oh.
Huh?
You
Thank
saw
you.
Rome, didn't you?
I repeat,
You
I
saw
wanted
Rome,
to go
didn't
to
you?
the Sistine Chapel, and I could not go because they were closed. So we traveled 5,000 miles to go to a place that's closed.
You're the reason why I won't become a travel agent. You're so ungrateful.
Oh, I love what you do. Because, when I go to a place, I don't care if I can get in or not.
I got you here for the low, all right?
You got me in for the low?
For the low.
So low, no dough, not open.
Come on, boy. Come on. Let's wrap this up so I can go to bed.
Anyway, so, that's it.
That's it.
Right. Well, that's it for day number 40. 53 days at sea. And until next time, keep tripping.